she is, folks. Here she is. This is all we're here for. Network's very own jumbo jet in new livery as well. So she's ready to come down. So she's about 7 miles out now. Gear should be coming down quite soon, I'd imagine. "4,000 people tracking that aircraft worldwide right now. If you're joining in on the show, good afternoon, everybody. Here comes the gear now. Special operation. Done this quite a few times on BigJet TV. These guys sent us an email a couple of weeks back, wasn't it, Jilly? Feels like it anyway. But yeah, we'll always do this if it works for us in terms of our schedule on the day. Gutted I missed one yesterday with 𝗃𝗧 𝗬𝗢𝗦𝗦𝗧, and a good friend of his who retired yesterday, last flight. But we got Mr. Watts this morning, didn't we? Yeah. Oh well. Yeah, we had tech though, didn't we? Anyway. This is a rare. We're gonna see these by the bucket load next week, folks, in Anchorage. UPS operating these, as well as other operators from around the world. Multiple 747s at Anchorage, Wednesday and Thursday, live to our members, all members on Wednesday. First class, super class on Thursday. Here she comes now. I wish I could give the crew a shout out. Approaching minimums. She's a lovely old girl, rolled out of the Boeing factory as a freighter. Got the old Jurassic front end on her. Could bolt that onto the front end of a Pan Am jumbo and you wouldn't notice the difference. All she needs is a big set of HF aerials off the wings, isn't it? Beautiful. Congratulations, network, and welcome to London Heathrow. May we see more and more operations from these guys. I like the way they've do like that logo. I like the livery. You did say it was a, what is it, like a Hawk or something. Yeah, Kestrel, yeah, beautiful. Great stuff. How about that? Awesome. Well, there you go, folks. Thanks, Luke. And everybody. That's it. That's your lot. Bye!